Hey everyone, how's it going? Just picked this up today, got it delivered to my house. Figured I'd do a quick unboxing. So give me a second here and we will open it up. My knife. Let me bring the camera over here so you can see what's inside. Okay, we've got a bunch of paper. Inside that paper, the dog wear a hat. Inside that paper, we've got a NACS adapter, and the dog's really curious. Open it up. And look what we've got. A brand new Tesla NACS adapter. It is, there's a model and a product number and a serial number by the looks of it on the bottom of the NACS adapter. Thanks.